Hi guys, in today's video, I'll be chilling with Mickey Mouse and I'll be Pluto. Hi, say hi.
Well, hi, pal.
Yeah, the Mickey Mouse right here. So we'll be joining some codes, some public code, and I'll be chilling. So I'll be Pluto, he'll be Mickey Mouse. So make sure to watch till the end and like and subscribe. W Mickey for
Like and subscribe, pal.
Yes. Okay, ready? I'm gonna join a random. No PvP or PvP. Okay, guys, I will be joining his lobby now. Let's go.
Come on, Pluto.
Can someone buy me a grappler?
Pluto, it's okay, pal.
Geronimo, can you buy me a grappler?
No, don't mess with my dog, Pluto. Back up.
Pluto, can you
Come on,
buy?
Pluto.
Can anyone give me anything?
I'll be
talk
your
to
dog's
Pluto.
bodyguard. I'll be your dog's bodyguard.
Back up.
What is that?
I'll be your dog's bodyguard. I'll be your dog's bodyguard.
Use that.
Look at me,
Come on,
I'll be your dog's bodyguard. I'll be your dog's bodyguard. Can somebody buy me a crossbow?
Alright, let's go, Pluto. Follow me.
Guys.
Alright, Pluto. Oh. Shoot. Oh, you're gonna kill him. Get them. I don't know. Let's go talk to Pluto about that. Pluto, would you like a bodyguard? Right here. Yes or no?
Want a boat?
No? Oh, no. Okay, alright. He doesn't like you. So you might want to back up. But I'll take that bone for him. Oh, okay. Here you go, Pluto. Oh,
Now I'm gonna kill myself! Nobody wants to be their job!
Wait,
Take
wait,
it,
you actually
Good job, Pluto. Where'd it go?
I didn't die!
can I show you something that
I'm gonna die!
Look,
I'm
wait,
gonna
hey, look,
die
look.
one way!
Okay,
Hey,
Pluto.
launcher! I'd rather kill him!
Be right back, Pluto. Oh, shoot. Okay. Come on.
Where's
We have to kill them. Oh,
Where's the dude with the red one?
oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Oh.
Can someone give me an egg launcher, please?
Oh, Pluto. Can I have that, Pluto? Oh, thank
And you know what? Nobody wants me to be their bodyguard, so I'm gonna kill
Oh, Pluto. Right here.
You got violated.
Well, thank you, pal. Alright.
I need
Now they're getting
RPGs. I need RPGs.
Egg launcher.
Yo, Pluto, can you give me RPGs?
Don't talk to strangers.
Hey, Pluto, here.
That's not nice.
Pluto.
Pluto, don't take that. Stupid.
Pluto, you want this?
I want RPGs.
Talk to Pluto. Back up now, pal.
Don't you know? Guys, look at me. I want Pluto. I want
Hey, Mickey Mouse.
so badly.
Hey, Mickey.
Yeah.
Take this so you can kill him more faster.
Alright, let's go.
I get angry. Run from this.
I'm here.
Just like this.
Give me.
What you gonna do, bro?
Mickey.
You're so strong.
That's not Mickey.
I will kill them.
Mickey Mouse.
I will kill them.
Come on, alright, let's go.
Mickey.
Come on, crap. Pluto. Oh boy, right here, Pluto.
What into your crap?
Good job. Alright, what do you want to do, Pluto?
Oh my god, he's saying bad words to me.
Oh, good job.
He said, get the
Alright, let's go, Pluto.
Hey,
Alright, Pluto. What should we do? Should we kill everyone? Oh, hell yeah. Yeah, give me that. Mickey! Oh, Pluto. There you are.
done.
Should we do another lobby? I think this is not a good lobby.
Thing, yeah.
Wait. Are you Mickey
Oh, yeah.
Mouse and Goofy?
Pluto.
Mickey Mouse, Goofy?
No, this is Pluto. You know who Pluto is?
Oh,
A little
Pluto,
dog.
yeah, Pluto.
Alright, come on. Give me the rocket launcher, boy.
Should I pet Pluto?
Yeah.
Should I pet Pluto?
Oh yeah, Pluto, you want him to pet you?
Fly, birdie, fly.
No? Okay, he said no. Guys,
Yes,
I'm gonna
yes.
send this.
Yes.
Try to kill him. Uh-oh, I think I killed him.
Yeah.
What the heck? Why is there Mickey Mouse in here?
I didn't mean to kill him. Chill. Oh shoot. Oh no.
Here.
Don't mind me. Chill. Chill. Give me.
Mickey Mouse, take this rocket launcher.
Oh, thank you.
Video. Do you want to?
Hurry, pal.
Hey, I am making a video just What do you say?
Galaxy things. Galaxy. Wanna trade galaxy things? Galaxy things. Who wanna trade?
No.
Bro, who wanna trade galaxy?
Galaxy
things. There's galaxy things in this. A
I kinda
galaxy
killed him.
Whoa,
mini flashlight with
I didn't mean to kill him. Everyone calm down. I know what to do. Guys, calm down. Ladies,
So the way you
ladies,
get
calm
it,
down.
you see that gold button right there? After you buy it, you
Be
must
quiet.
leave the game and rejoin.
Pal.
You
You're
must
too
leave the
loud.
game and
Pal.
you must leave the game and rejoin after you buy
You're
this.
too loud.
For
And
what?
Pal,
then
you're
you
too loud.
unlock the golden revolvers. And then you
You're
unlock the
too
golden
loud.
revolvers.
Hey, pal.
Shut the fuck
Pal.
Mickey Mouse, shut up!
Oh shoot.
Yeah, that's right. That's right. Give me every. Give me all the cheese. Give me all the cheese. Give me all the cheese. Give me all of it.
My cheese drippy, bruh.
All right. Where's the guy who wanted the golden revolver? Excuse me.
Oh yeah.
No way. Make it back. This man is invincible.
That man was invincible.
Jacob, join our code.
Because
Oh, he's getting mad. Oh, you suck.
Oh,
You
get him
suck. You
What are you
suck.
gonna sound like Mickey Mouse?
Mickey Munch. Mickey Munch.
suck,
Where's
bro.
Mickey Munch? His name is Mickey Munch. Mickey Munch. Give me all the cheese. Give me all the cheese. Give me all the cheese.
Zone, guys. Can't die.
Give me. Here, you pal.
You're in the safe.
Good boy.
You're in the safe zone, guys. You can't die in this area.
Hey,
Wait.
come here.
Hold on. Give me the other one. Give me.
Momo.
Yeah. Thank you. Up. Uh-oh.
Momo.
I think I killed him.
They are
Hey.
Munch. Run, Mickey Munch. Run.
Run, nigga.
Mickey Munch, no! You murderer! Add me. What's your name?
Oh, give me, Polo. Give me. Hurry. Now I'm cooked.
Take Appler.
Get it. Oh my God, get it.
He actually died.
What the heck is that? Mickey,
him,
take it.
get
Mickey, rare item. You put it in your stash. Mickey, what the freak?
Join the code PPOO if you. Hey,
Hey, I'm trying to do it.
hey,
Mickey left.
Don't care.
hey,
I'm on
Join the code.
vacation.
Try to kill me.
Join the code PPOO.
Okay, guys, that was funny Mickey Mouse trolling. So yeah. Okay.